Today I'm sharing with you the top 5 tools that make me money in my PDR business, so stay tuned. So first up, we have the Shan blending hammer. Now this is one of my favourite little tools. It's super strong and lightweight, being aluminium, and of course you can change the tips, which allows you to get a variety of different finishes when it comes to blending out your repairs with PDR. So this little tool has made me a ton of money when it comes to blending out my repairs on roofs and roof rails, so it definitely makes it onto my top 5. You can also get the XL version, which allows you a bit more reach going along those roof rails, so I highly recommend checking that out. So that's it. The first up is the Shan blending hammer. Next up, we have this slide hammer from BLE Tools. It's aluminium, it's lightweight. What I really like about it is you've got the 2 different hammer weights. So I've got a lighter weight and a heavier weight. The difference in weights allows me to either have a nice light pull when I'm looking to work small dents and roof damage, or I can switch to the heavier weight if I've really got a big dent and I need some power and some force to really pull out the damage. It's not just the hammer weights that change though, you've also got a damper spring in this handle. That means I can adjust the handle up, get it really nice and tight, and it gives me a clean, crisp snap when it comes to my glue pulls. Alternatively, I can unscrew the handle, it puts this damper spring into play and allows me much more gentle kind of pulling motion with each slide hammer blow that I do. So this tool over the years has made me a ton of money, and it definitely makes it onto my top 5. So it's a slide hammer from BLE Tools. The next tool to make it on my list is this small little knockdown from CarePoint Tools. As you can see, it's got a really nice, clean, fine metal finish, and that really allows me the precision I need to be able to knock back micro highs. So this little tool has sped up my repair times and helped me get a nice, clean finish. That's why it makes it onto my list for the top 5 PDR tools that make me money. So it's this little knockdown from CarePoint Tools. So coming in at number 2, it's my trusty double bend bar. Now I've had this one for years. It's about 60 quid from PDR Pro Tools. I've got this nice T-bar handle. I think the shaft's about 12mm, so it's really nice and strong. You've got the double bend and then also the screw tip. So that means I can change the tip depending on the type of damage it is I'm looking to fix. Now the reason this tool makes it onto my list is it's so versatile, and it's used more than any other tool I own when I'm out on the road fixing dents. The strength of the bar and being able to change the tip makes it so versatile. So whether I'm working on an open panel such as a bonnet, going up through a wheel arch to get dents out on a wing, or even sliding through the top edge of a door, allowing me some extra force to push out some of those tight body lines. So that's why this tool always makes it onto my list. I use it more than any other tool, and over the years it's made me a ton of money with PDR. Now the number 1 tool that's made me more money in PDR than anything else is my mindset. Now before you switch off, say that doesn't count, he's tricked us, I promise you it's the best tool you can invest your time into developing. Fixing dents is just part of what makes a PDR business work. You also have to understand the business side of the business, and that's where your personal development and that mindset really comes into play. So you need to develop the skills to be a successful business owner, as well as the skills to successfully remove dents. And it's a running theme you'll see in our training from start to finish, working on your personal development from beginner all the way through to paid tech. So that's it for today, my top 5 tools of what's made me the most money in my PDR business. If you've got any comments, any questions, do pop them below in the comments below this video. I really hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you have, don't forget to give us a thumbs up to like the video, and of course you can subscribe to my channel. So that's it from me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.